In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix Twitter calls not showing on your X account. You can simply enable audio and video calls on your Twitter account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Twitter account. You will have to head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, tap on privacy and safety. Then select direct messages. You will have to first make sure this option of enable audio and video calls is on. Then head into your message section. Select any chat. If you still can't get the audio and video call icon on your upper right-hand side of the screen, that means you didn't subscribe for premium. The Twitter calls are available for only premium subscribers on X. You can receive and answer calls, but you can't call someone if you haven't subscribed to the X premium service. That's how easy it is to fix X calls not showing. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.